welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a Christmas-themed cake. And this one's fairly simple. It's just a nice buttercream with like Christmas sprinkles on it. So let's get started. I frosted a 6-inch cake dummy with vegan American buttercream. Then I piped a star border along the bottom of the cake. This is just a squeeze and release with an open star tip. Then I piped a star border along the top edge of the cake. And a tall swirl in the middle of the cake. Then I pressed green, white, and red tree sprinkles into the swirl. I know it's crooked, I'll fix it in a bit. Then I alternated blue and white snowflake sprinkles onto the border along the edge of the cake. Then I alternated gold and white snowmen sprinkles along the border along the bottom of the cake. I alternated red and white candy cane sprinkles along the side of the cake and around the top of the cake. And I straightened the tree a bit. I think this cake is really sweet and simple. It's colorful and pretty. Merry Christmas! For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more cakes.